You have an electronics application that requires you to mount your product in the corner of a room. Typically, you would have to buy a specifically shaped enclosure at a premium price and design your components around its unusual shape. Bud has solved your problem, creating a unique solution that allows you to mount virtually any electronic enclosure that ranges from 3 to 14 inches on its longest side. The CWB 15101 is an easy to install bracket onto which your enclosure mounts, and then it can easily be attached to the wall. As you can see, the installation process is fairly simple. All you have to do is attach the mounting strip to the mounting tray using the included bolt and wing nut. Then you attach the box to the mounting strip through the wall mounting holes in the base of the box. Note that for some boxes you may have to supply your own hardware. If you would like, you can easily break off the excess length of the strip. For this video, I'm showing you how the box fits in the corner with the bracket, but you would normally want to attach the corner bracket to the wall first using the included hardware. Then, using the other bolt and wing nut, attach the mounting tray to the enclosure to the corner bracket, and you're ready to go. While we prefer you don't, this bracket can be used on virtually any enclosure manufacturer's box. The brackets are in stock at your favorite Bud distributor, and you can check the Bud website for further details, or call us at 440-946-3200, or chat with us on our website.